Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to bypass the frustrating Claude AI free tier message limit and extend your generation capacity fast without spending a single penny. The absolute fastest way to fix this issue is to instantly stop your habit of having long, continuous chat threads with the model. Most casual users do not realize that Claude must reread your entire conversation history from the very beginning with every single new prompt you send, meaning a 40-message thread drains your hidden rolling token quota up to 10 times faster than a fresh session. To stretch your availability immediately, start fresh chats every 15 messages and utilize the edit function, which looks like a small pencil icon on your last message, to fix errors rather than sending a brand new correction message. You can also bypass the main website limits entirely by setting up a free developer account on the Anthropic API console, which grants you immediate pay-as-you-go access to their flagship Sonnet model inside their evaluation workbench without facing any of the standard web interface restrictions. Apply these rapid workflow adjustments right now to keep your creative momentum fully unlocked. Subscribe the channel for more videos.